In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull a project from GitHub. Whether you're completely new to this process or just need a quick refresher, don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step in a way that's easy to follow. Let's first talk a bit about what it means to pull a project from GitHub. Essentially, when we talk about pulling a project, we are referring to downloading the files from a repository on GitHub onto your own local machine. This is a common task for developers who want to work on a project either solo or collaboratively. Pulling ensures you have the most up-to-date version of the codebase. Now, the way you'll go about pulling a project depends on whether you've already downloaded the project's repository to your local machine or not. We'll start with the scenario where you don't have the project locally yet. In this case, what you want to do is clone the repository. Cloning creates a full-fledged local copy of the project on your machine. To do this, first find the repository you're interested in on GitHub. Once there, you'll see a green button on the right that says Code. Click it, and you'll notice an option to copy the HTTPS URL. Now open your terminal or command prompt. This is where we will execute our commands. To clone, you'll type the command git clone followed by a space and then paste the URL you just copied. The command might look something like git clone http github.com, your username, your repository.chjit. Run this command and Git will start downloading the project files to a folder on your local machine. When the process completes, you'll navigate into your new project directory by typing cd followed by the repository name. For instance, cd your repository, and just like that, you have a copy of the project on your computer ready for you to work with. Now let's say you already have the repository on your local machine, and you want to ensure it is updated with the latest changes from the remote origin. This is where a simple pull command becomes invaluable. First, open your terminal and navigate to your project's directory if you aren't there already. You can do this by typing cd, followed by the name of your project folder, for example. Cd your project folder. With your terminal in the correct directory, you will now perform a pull. You can either use the more specific command git pull origin main, which tells Git to pull the latest changes from the main branch, or if you are working on a different branch, you might substitute main with the name of that branch. However, in simpler cases, you can also use just git pull to accomplish this task, as it defaults to whichever branch you are currently working on. The terminal will display messages indicating which files have been updated, any potential conflicts, or if everything is already up to date. And there you have it, a straightforward process to pulling projects from GitHub. Understanding these fundamental steps can significantly boost your efficiency when working in collaborative coding environments. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.